Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking the most amazing pork recipe you've ever tasted. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. And don't forget everything using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Weber products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing Vietnamese style pork chops. It's a really simple dish to do, a little bit of marination with those pork chops. Now you can do this on the Weber Kettle, you can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can do it on the Weber Q as we're doing today. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Before we start, there's a few things you're going to need. So today we're going to be using the Q-ware pan. You can use a skillet, there will be links in the description of where to get these from, and a bowl just for marinating or a Ziploc bag. So we'll get this Q lit and start grabbing our ingredients and preparing the marinade. Well, so today's ingredients is quite simple. We're going to be making a marinade and we're going to be making some Nuoc Cham dressing. We use some extra virgin olive oil, some turmeric, some oyster sauce, or if you haven't got oyster sauce you can use fish sauce, some ground black pepper, some cloves of garlic, some lemon juice, you can use fresh lemon juice. We're going to have some chili flakes, some white wine vinegar and some sugar. Right, so we're going to start off with some pork loins or 4/4 as I'm using today. I'm just going to put some cling wrap over. Now you can either use a rolling pin or a skillet pan. Now these are boneless and you just want to flatten those out. Now we're going to start with our marinade. You're just going to want some of those Vietnamese flavours. So I'm going to start with some fish sauce. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. 2 cloves of minced garlic. A teaspoon of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm just going to give that a nice mix around. So we just put those in the fridge now for 10 minutes while we prepare everything else. We're just going to prepare our Nuoc Cham dressing. Now you can use a jar or a Tupperware pan for this. So we're just going to add our fish sauce, our white wine vinegar, some tanginess with some lime or lemon juice, some water. Now this is just the base for our Nuoc Cham dressing. So you can keep this in the fridge for up to a week. Because we're using it today, we're going to add some fresh minced garlic and some chili flakes, and then we're going to add our sugar and give all that a mix for that sugar to dissolve. And now it's time to get these on the grill. Pork's come off and it smells divine. We've got some nice caramelisation on there, so we're just going to let that rest for around 2 minutes before we slice it up and give it a bit of a taste test. Moment of truth, so it's time to slice in this pork and see how it turned out. Serve this with some tomato, cucumber, and finish it off with an egg, and you can always put some rice with it as well. And to finish it off, we're just going to drizzle our sauce over everything, even the egg, giving out that salty Asian flavour. And don't forget, everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy that quick and easy marinated recipe on that Vietnamese pork. It turned out amazing. The flavours just balance really well. You can do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Weber Qs I've done today, and you can even do it on the Weber Genesis. All you need is a QF pan or a flat plate and a high heat first of all, and then turn it down to a medium heat to get that final cook through into that pork. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content that contemplates showing support by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.